See your children, what they have given. ABCD is a square given to us and एक circle inscribed है square के अंदर and the side of the square is given to us as 10 centimeter. What they expect us to find area of this such a small shaded portion or region over there. Fine. पहला क्या करते, समझो ABCD square है, सर्कल उसके इंस्क्राइब्ड अंदर है, सो नो डाउट यू नो क्लियरली जो भी साइड होगा स्क्वायर का दैट बिकम्स व्हाट, डायमीटर ऑफ द सर्कल. कंफर्म. सो सिंस साइड इज हाउ मच, 10. ओके, तो डायमीटर बन जाएगा 10, तो रेडियस वुड बी 5. लेट अस डू वन थिंग. फ्रॉम द सेंटर लेट अस ड्रॉ दिस एंड ड्रॉ दिस. ओके, सो लेट्स नेम दिस P, C and Q. Acha, now you also know one thing, that tangent and radius perpendicular to each other. So no doubt OQ is the radius, DC as a tangent, so this would be how much, 90. This is also how much, 90. And guess what, angle C also is 90. Angle of a rectangle. And now guess what, in a quadrilateral, 3 angles are 90, the fourth angle by default 90 by using angle sum property. So I can call OPCQ as a rectangle. Plus, in a rectangle, if I am not wrong, OQ and OP, they both are equal, radii of the same circle. So rectangle में adjacent sides equal आ रहा है, मतलब सब sides equal. So when all sides are equal, all angles are right angles, then OPCQ becomes what? A square. Confirm. Oh, OP, I think radius है, डिस्कस पहले हुआ था, 5 है, तो इवन OP becomes how much, 5. So every side is 5, so 5 and 5. Okay, now for your better understanding, I'll just remove all these details now. I'll just keep this on the board. Okay, remember one thing, OPCQ was a square. And I have learned property in 8th standard or 9th standard quadrilaterals that diagonals of a square bisect the opposite angles. Confirm. So अगर वो angle QOP 90 है, तो ये half would be how much? 45 degrees. Okay. So I'll mention here 45 degrees. And now it is so easy, children. क्या करना है तुमको? Shaded region का area चाहिए. Okay, fine. So area of the triangle OPC, from that area, I'll subtract area of this sector, the small sector, and I get the area of the shaded region. अभी problem ऐसा है, this question might come for MCQ as well. 4 options will be given. तो MCQ है, so I'll let you know which is the right answer. अगर 2 marks है, 3 marks है, then उसको डिटेल में solve करके decimal में end में answer लाना है. Fine, beta. So the target is to find area of the shaded region. No problem, beta. So area of shaded region. So area of shaded region, that would be equal to area of the right angle triangle OPC minus area of sector. So area of the triangle, definitely half into base into height, minus area of the sector, you know the formula very well, it's theta upon 360 into pi r square. Okay, now this is half into, base is also 5, even height is 5, so half into 5 minus theta, it's 45. So I have 45 divided by 360 into pi, radius of the circle 5, so 5 square would give me 25. Okay, 25. Now children, 25, so this would be 25 upon 2 minus, clearly 45 8s are 360, so 25 pi whole divided by 8. Now we are taking the LCM, so simple, 2 4s are 8, तो ऊपर भी 4, so 25 4s are 100 हो गए, so 100 minus 25 pi whole divided by 8, this was the option in those 4 options as centimeter square. So again I am telling you kids, अगर MCQ है so this is the right answer. Free marks है so you solve, just put the value of pi 22/7. If it is given 3.14 तो वो डाल के 25 से multiply करो, subtract from 100, whatever the final answer, divide by 8. So easy to calculate. Thank you.